Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI aficionados. Envision a never-sleeping AI assistant, ever ready to boost your productivity. Welcome to the future with Microsoft's Copilot AI. Its groundbreaking features will revolutionize our tech interaction. Eager to discover its influence on your future work? In the right place. Now prepare for a thrilling journey into the future. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI assistants, specifically the groundbreaking Copilot AI from Microsoft. This AI is not just a novelty, it's a game-changing tool. With unique capabilities, it could completely transform work life as we know it. It's an evolving piece of technology, full of surprises. So let's dive deeper without further delay. We all have been affected by the pandemic, haven't we? These times have forced rapid changes, compelling businesses to adapt. Our answer? Microsoft's Copilot AI. The new normal of remote work has unveiled AI's potential in task optimization. It's a game changer for our work lifestyle. Ready for tech and innovation? Let's embrace transformation. Are you ready? Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Microsoft's Copilot AI is a game changer for workplace productivity. It addresses repetitive tasks, including email drafting and presentation creation. Integrated with Microsoft tools like web browsers, Windows 11 and Microsoft 365, it's set to revolutionize tech interaction. Fun fact, it drafts emails quicker than typing. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your productivity with Copilot AI. Ever wished you could just talk to your computer and it would understand? Now, with Copilot AI, you can. This revolutionary technology offers an astounding feature: natural language comprehension. It's eradicating the need for complex interfaces and commands, thus simplifying interactions with your tech. Copilot AI is revolutionizing the way we engage with our devices, enabling communication through casual chat. So let's step into the future, shall we? Studies have shown the immense productivity gains AI brings to the workplace. Research indicates extensive productivity enhancements, with Goldman Sachs projecting a $7 trillion global economic boost within 10 years thanks to AI. Now, let's delve into AI's industry transformation. Stay tuned and welcome to the future. While Copilot AI holds tremendous promise, there are concerns. Microsoft states Copilot will not supplant humans but work alongside us. Emphasizing human involvement in decisions, AI is here to assist. With this strong note, we advance into the future with Silicon Companions. A new era awaits. Let's seize. Copilot AI is still in its infancy, grappling with certain limitations. However, Microsoft diligently works to confront these challenges. Through perpetual innovation, we can anticipate more advanced AI features. This progression leads to an AI assistant that integrates effortlessly into daily tasks. The future of AI is gripping. It signals a transition to a smarter, more efficient workplace equipped with AI assistants. The future is exciting, isn't it? Let's look forward to a smarter, more efficient workplace with AI assistants.